Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, on cold days, these struts have been not working at all. When it warms up, they seem to work okay, but when it gets cold, it keeps dropping on my head, and every now and then, even when it's warm, it'll drop on my head. So these are shot. So, well, in the midst of figuring out how to do this, I realized you just need a little screwdriver. And what you got is up in the top here, there's a little C-clip or E-clip, depending on who's telling you what it is, that comes out of here. And then down at the bottom, it's the same thing as pretty much all the rest of them. It's got like a little thing that holds it in here. You got to stick a screwdriver down in there and pry it out some. Careful you don't destroy your paint or your fingers. These are kind of a pain in the butt. I like the newer ones now that you should be able to just pull these out a little ways, but I find just taking them out all the way is the best way to go. And then you probably won't be able to see this up in here because of sun and everything else. I've been trying to get a close up, but there's a pin up in here with a little clip on the end, and yet again with a screwdriver. And I would recommend having a magnet handy as well. Peel that off of there, and you can see right there, hopefully, there's your little clip there. I'm going to stick this in the box. On Amazon, I will have the price below. There's these, and they're the struts we got here. They come in a little baggie with the strut, and then there's a bag with a couple of these that screw onto the bottom down here. And they come with kind of a really nice, I can never remember the name of this, whatever it is, I'll probably put a name below. Anyway, it's pretty nice. Anyhow, that screws on there, this screws down on there. Get them tightened up. You'll have to move one of them one way or the other probably once we get going here, but got them just hand tight for now. Then we're just going to kind of hold up on this, and I'm going to actually pop the bottom part out here. Use my head, although that I put the new one in over there. See, and it's working with just one, but this little pin right here pulls out. Set that to the side, and oh, I grabbed the wrong one here. All right, then this just pushes on down on the bottom on the ball down here, and then this, you got to actually lift it up. These are actually seem to be a little bit taller than the original ones were, which is okay with me. Or the original ones probably sagged a bunch. Put that through there. Go grab that C-clip. Now this is the part that I hate, because this is where I drop it and can't find one. I will say I kind of wish that these came with new hardware, because these are a bit rusty, but they'll do the job. This is where you get your fingers too if you aren't careful. There we go. Hopefully my head's not completely in your way here. Alright. I think we're good. So I've already done the one on the other side here. Hopefully these will close. There's a stink bug. Get out of here, bug. There we go. It hasn't done that. I don't know if it's ever done that since I owned it. Just go up by itself. Alright. Well, Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.